Alright guys, Mike here with the Watch This video for Thursday, January 11th. The SPY pretty darn close to all-time high, so it's what I call the overall market melt up continues. Let me put out my little disclaimer thingy. Alright, there it is. I mean, we always have new members, so I throw this in the videos. I know you're tired of seeing it probably, but I want everybody to understand we're day traders and we're looking at stocks that are in play. I don't hold anything overnight. So none of this is for investment advice. All right. Anyway, so SPY is very resilient. What are the in-play stocks? Be watching on Thursday. Let me zoom in on this one a little bit. All right, there. You can kind of see it better now. So this high back here was somewhere around 320. And it got a little pop the other day. And then today a little bit stronger. Topped out today at 175. Certainly worth keeping an eye on. CUTR, one of my favorites, probably my favorite going into Thursday. We had this big breakout on news, inside day. Love this for a third day play. My top watch for tomorrow. CROX, let me pan out a little bit, but you can see there. I talked about after this red day that it could be a third day play. Before I had to leave for about an hour today, this was starting to curl up, and I said it was interesting if it broke the highs with yesterday's high not far above. I don't know if anybody got this. I was at lunch. I was out of the house. The entry would have been right about there and stopped. Not too far below, and it had a nice pop. Again, I never saw anybody celebrating this. I don't know if y'all got it. But I still like the strength in that chart. And that one popped originally on good news. So ACET had the big pop yesterday. Inside day today. Looking for a third day play there. ROMA, I don't know. This thing's only been trading for 2 days. Late in the day, I suggested it might be worth over this lower high, might be worth a shot, which would have been like over 480, I think. And I mean, not bad. It went to 563 before rolling over at the end of the day. But when you have something that's only 2 days of trading to go on, I'm not in love with it. But I'll have it on a chart. Let's leave it at that. I'll have it on a chart. AMRN, I like this breakout. Could have a follow-through day tomorrow. We'll see if we get an A+ setup. INGN, I think Citron was pushing this one for the 2 days. Looked like it was going to roll back over, but it's holding up pretty well. So I kind of like the red rest day. Now I like the breakout potential even more. So that one goes on watch. LAES, attempted to break out today. I'll put the horizontal line over that recent high. Nice volume, but closed well off its highs. Anyway, I'm a day trader. I'll have it on a chart tomorrow. XERS, kind of interesting, although let me see. I noticed this high back here of 278. And then most of the day, I think this was below that. Let me double check that. What was the high today? 281, so I'm wrong. Anyway, I'll put the horizontal line there. You could look at that and you could argue, hey, it's trying to break out. Maybe it's going to make a run at these recent highs from back here. But with today's volume, I'm certainly going to have it on a chart. So that's XERS, SANA. Excuse me, closing well off its highs, but definitely worth a chart tomorrow. OMGA had the gap up, sold off, and is curling back up nicely. So I want to watch that one. OSCR, I like the pop, the red day. Looked like it was going to sell off, and then a very strong close, right? So that one's super interesting. Couple more. SATS, big move today. See if we get a second day play. Even if not, we get a rest day or two. These will all still be interesting, right? At least these big movers. And then QS is back down to the 8 day now after this big rip. I am going to put that on bounce watch for Thursday. And as always, we'll work together and add some other gappers in the pre-market. And between those and this list, hopefully we'll find some nice trades. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in the chat room in the morning.